Students, today we are going to see about the computer graphics. In computer graphics, the point clipping. The point clipping, the topics that we are going to see are the clipping in two graphics and clipping in three-dimensional graphics, point clipping and the conditions that to be used for point clipping, the algorithm by using the C programming and conclusion. So, introduction. In computer graphics, clipping is a method to selectively enable or disable the rendering operations within a defined region of interest. The region which we want to do the clipping are to be done using this clipping algorithms. These algorithms are of two types. One is by using the two-dimensional graphics and the another one by using the three-dimensional graphics. Two-dimensional graphics is nothing but only by using the x and y coordinates. Three-dimensional graphics are by using x, y and z coordinates. The clipping in two-dimensional graphics. In two-dimensional graphics, a clip region may be defined so the pixels are only drawn within the boundary of the window or a frame. Within the frames that are to be done. In the three-dimensional graphics clipping. In three-dimensional graphics, the terminology of clipping can be used to describe many related features. Typically, the clipping refers to the operations in the plane that works with the rectangular shapes. So now we are going to see about this point clipping. In computer graphics, our screen acts as a 2D coordinate system. So in our screen, we can see the x and the y coordinates only. It is not necessary that each and every point can be viewed on our computer screen. In the case of the point clipping, we can view the points which lies in particular ranges, that is x minimum and the y minimum, that is 0, 0 and x maximum and y maximum. The 0, 0 is a coordinate which is the origin of the x and y coordinate. So, the clipping is a procedure that identifies those portions of a picture that are either inside or outside our computer system. Next, the conditions of the point clippings. So, here the x can be less than or equal to the x maximum or x can be greater than or equal to x maximum. Likewise, the y can be less than or equal to y maximum and y can be greater than or equal to y minimum. If the x coordinate is greater than or equal to the x maximum, then the point lies outside the window. So, if the x coordinate is greater than the x maximum, then it lies out of the window. So, the point is rejected. If so, it should be lies between the x minimum and the x maximum. Similarly, if the y coordinate is greater than or equal to the y maximum, then the point is rejected. It should be lies between y minimum and y maximum. There is no need of clipping. So, the point is inside the window screen. So, here we are going to see the algorithms. So, the first one is the header files. So, we are using the C program for this. So, we are using stdio, that is standard input output, and the console input output, and next we are using the graphics as a header file. So, here we are declaring the variables, and next we are using a function, that is void point clip function. So, inside that we are declaring the variables. So, here that variable is to be initialized to the wx minimum, and likewise we are initialize the drx, that variable, into the wx max, that is the maximum, x maximum. Likewise for the y minimum and y maximum, and we are checking that if the px value, that is x coordinate value, is greater than the x minimum as well as it should be less than the x maximum. Likewise we are checking for the y minimum and the y maximum. Then we are putting that pixels px, py, red. Then we close that graph. So here we are using the main method. So in this method, so entering the top left coordinate and the bottom right coordinate. So we are entering that, and we are setting a yellow and a red colors for showing that difference of the lines. Next, conclusion. If any one of this condition is not satisfied, then the point lies outside the window screen. So all the conditions must satisfy so that the point lies inside the window screen. Thank you.